Okay guys, so today we're going to be looking at some of the cool tricks you can use with Windows 10 that will save you time, make work easier, and maybe even have a bit of fun messing around. So the first thing I want to show you is Aero Shake, which has been around since Windows 7 but has been carried over to Windows 10. So if you have multiple windows open, to close them all at once, you can left-click the top of one of the windows and shake your mouse left to right. Doing this minimises all your windows at once, saving you some time and hassle. Next is the taskbar calendar event function, where you can create a new event in your calendar right here from the taskbar. So you select the date and time in the bottom right, find the date of your event, and then add it in at the bottom like so. Once you save this, the event will be right there in your calendar. If you ever want to take a screenshot or snippet of your screen, you can do this by clicking the Windows key, Shift and S. As you can see, you can create a rectangular, freeform, window and full screen snippet. If I select rectangular, I can crop my snip, and when I let go, the selected region will be saved to my clipboard where I can use tools to edit my image. Sometimes notifications can come in handy, but other times they can be a pain in the backside. So if you go to Settings, System and Focus Assist, you're provided with three options. You can get all notifications, see only selected notifications from your priority list, or you can hide all notifications except for alarms. Lastly, the voice dictator available on Word documents has been updated and actually works pretty well. So if you want to give your fingers a rest, select the Windows key and H to activate the voice dictator. Now the software will type as you speak. There are a ton of more hidden tricks in Windows 10 that we'd love to show you. So please give the video a like if you want to see more of this content, or head over to our YouTube channel for more business and IT tips and tricks.